Hello my dear students. In this video we will discuss Class 11 Mathematics Chapter 10 Straight Lines, important points for the revision, formulae and definitions. Let's start. The first point is slope. The slope of any straight line will be represented by small m. Slope m of a non-vertical line. Why I am saying non-vertical line? Because for vertical line the slope is infinite. It's not defined. Slope m of non-vertical line passing through the points x1 y1 and x2 y2. These points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given by small m is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. First we take the ordinates and then divide by abscissas. So y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, or we can just change both. So y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2 by taking minus common and cancelling out. Here x1 is not equal to x2. Okay, x1 cannot be equal to x2, means that will be in the case of vertical line. Okay, so x1 not equal to x2 for non-vertical line. Second point, if a line makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, this is x-axis, so positive direction means this one. Let's say this is the line, so from positive direction of x-axis this is alpha. Then the slope of the line is given by m is equals to tan alpha. M equals to tan alpha. Slope is m or tan alpha, where alpha is not equal to 90 degree. Because if alpha is 90 degree, again it is vertical line, that is not defined. Third point, slope of a horizontal line is 0. Horizontal line means alpha is 0. So tan 0 is 0, and the slope of vertical line is undefined because tan 90 is equals to infinite, that is not defined. Next point is an acute angle. Let's say theta is an acute angle, and between lines L1 and L2, two lines making this angle alpha, this theta, with slopes m1 and m2. Line first line slope is m1 and second line slope is m2. Then acute angle between those two lines are given by this formula: tan theta is equals to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2 modulus, means it's positive absolute value. So 1 plus m1 m2 not equal to 0. Okay, because if 1 plus m1 m2 is equals to 0, that will be infinite and theta will be 90 degree, means vertical line will be there. So you have to apply this formula to find acute angle between two lines L1 and L2. Now very important points based on this: two lines are parallel. Two lines will be parallel if and only if their slopes are equal. Means slope, let's say m1 and m2, so then m1 equals to m2, then the lines will be parallel. Two lines are vertical, means two lines are perpendicular, means making 90 degree angle if and only if product of their slope is minus 1, means m1 m2 equals to minus 1, then the lines will be perpendicular, means this m1 m2 is minus 1, so 1 minus 1 will be 0, and that case lines will be perpendicular. So sometimes this condition is given: if these lines are perpendicular, find the value of the slope or any constant. That types of questions can come. Next point, 3 points A, B and C are collinear if and only if the slopes of AB equals to slope of BC. Means A, B, C, 3 consecutive points are given. These will be collinear if slope of AB and slope of BC is equal, means making same angle from the positive direction of x-axis, and this is also from same angle, means this A, B, C are collinear, means lies on a single line. Next point, equation of the horizontal line having distance A from the x-axis. Having distance A from the x-axis. So distance A from x-axis. Let's say this is x-axis and distance A. So distance A can be upward or downward. So equation will be what? This y equals to A or y equals to minus A. Okay, so you have to remember this, don't make this mistake. Equation of the vertical line having distance B from the y-axis. Y-axis, distance from y-axis this way or this way. This is y-axis na? So this B part, this is A, so B, this equation will be what? X equals to B, and this will be x equals to minus B. So equation of vertical line having distance b from the y-axis is either x equals to b or x equals to minus b. Next point, the point x comma y lies on the line with slope small m and through the fixed point x naught y naught if and only if their coordinates satisfy the equation y minus y naught equals to m x minus x naught. Or what you can do, if they ask what is the equation of the straight line passing through x naught y naught, any point is given, so this equation will be y minus y naught equals to m into x minus x naught. This comes from what? This comes from m, slope. M equals to y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Okay, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that was slope na. So from that slope we get this equation. Here x and y will remain same, this x and y, but this is the point x naught y naught. Next point is equation of the line passing through the points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now 2 points passing through the 2 points, how we find the equation? This is given by y minus y1, means again the same type, y minus y1, and this m. What is m for 2 points? This is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So passing through x1 y1, and the slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So equation of the straight line will be y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Next point is the point x comma y on the line with slope m. M is the slope and y-intercept c, it cuts y-intercept c, lies on the line if and only if y equals to mx plus c. So y equals to mx plus c means x equals to 0. At x equal to 0, m into 0 is 0, means we are getting y equal to c. What means y-intercept is c. Okay, so point x comma y on the line with slope m. M is the slope, so y equals to mx plus c, m slope and c is a y-intercept here. Next point is if the line with slope m makes x-intercept d. Now here y-intercept it was c, we have taken here x-intercept d. So what will the line? The equation of the line will be y equals to m into x minus d. If I put now y equals to 0, okay, because x-intercept we put y equal to 0. So if y equal to 0, what you will get? X equals to only d, because 0 by m equals to 0. So x equals to d. So if a line with slope small m makes x-intercept d, then equation of the line is y equals to m x minus d. These are different forms of the straight line. You have to remember this. Question can come from any type. Next point is equation of a line making intercepts a and b on the x and y axis. If both intercepts are given on x axis a and on y axis b, then we represent the line by x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. So sometimes you have to frame this type of form and then find the x and y intercepts. Okay, so you have to remember this. The equation of the line having normal distance from point P, normal distance from point P and angle between normal and positive x-axis omega, this is omega. The angle between normal and positive x-axis omega is given by x cos omega plus y sin omega equals to P. Normal distance means perpendicular distance. The equation of the line having normal distance from origin P, okay, means it's perpendicular to line, normal distance from origin P and angle between normal and positive x-axis omega is given by x cos omega plus y sin omega equals to P. This is the equation of a line. Next point is an equation of the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0 with a and b are not 0. A and b both are not 0 is called general linear equation or general equation of a line. So this is general equation of a line. From this equation we can convert that in any form of the straight line and we can find the other parameters. The perpendicular distance d, small d, perpendicular distance of a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 from a point x1 y1. If any point is given x1 y1 and we have to find the distance, perpendicular distance from this line, this is given by, we put this ax1 plus by1 plus c modulus means absolute value divided by root of a square plus b square. So here this will be numerical value, this is also numerical because this x1 y1 are points and a b c already these are constants, coefficients. So here perpendicular distance of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 from a point. So what we do, we just put these points in this equation, means if it first make it equal to 0 form, and then ax1, means we are putting this x1 here, ax1 plus b y1 plus c, and divide by what, the coefficient of x whole square plus coefficient of y whole square and under root. So this will be the perpendicular distance of the line. Now next point, distance between the parallel lines ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. If two lines are given, first check these are parallel lines. If these are parallel lines, then ax plus by part, this ax plus by part, that will be exactly same, and then plus c1 and here plus c2. So what is the distance? D equals to c1 minus c2 absolute value divided by root of a square plus b square. So this formula is very important, but it comes in tricky way. First you have to make the parallel lines, means ax and by form, this is same in both the lines, and this c1 and this is c2. So distance will be c1 minus c2 absolute value divided by root of a square plus b square. I think it is clear to you. Just please like and share this video and subscribe this channel to get such types of videos. Thanks for watching.